Good morning, everyone. We are out on the water, as you can see. Today is going to be a different kind of day. Today is me and my dad. We're just out here. We're do some trying to get some fish for Thanksgiving in the next couple of days. So today's November 20th. We're out here. A little choppy right now, but should be good. Already a couple boats out, so hopefully we can get to the buoy before anyone else, and we'll see you guys there. Alright, so got our lines all set up. About to approach the buoy right now. Hopefully we can get a bite off this. If not, we're gonna try to lose whatever little secret is. Right now I'm getting all my lures out, like prepared. Already like 3 boats here, so hopefully we could try to at least get something off this path.
I would have that line ready. Stick it up. Stick it.
Okay, we just left number 3 buoy, heading up to Wave Buoy right now. Gonna go try there, and if nothing at Wave, then we'll go probably check the coastline, take the current line first, and then we'll go check the inside to see how it is. Outside was pretty good, the light was good, but starting to slow down, so making our way in that way. So yeah, just stay tuned.
You got the fish or no? Look at the water, bro.
Alright, look up. See if we can get in the boat here. I'm about to got this. Some chocolate.
It's Pin Willie. You can see it in the water, Pin Willie. There it is on top of the water. So you don't want to let it shake its head right now. Switch, go to line.
Just like that.
The bat's right there. You got the lure hand.
Okay, so we just got that WAHOO there. That's a nice one. Another nice one as well. So yeah, we got the lines back in the water and we're ready to get some more. Good. Bring it back out. Alright, we got another WAHOO right here. always to keep your fish nice and good quality. You want to put a nice good saltwater brine. So we put about 10 buckets of salt water out there, and then when we come back in, we'll fill it up with ice and make the fish stay nice, good quality. But yeah, we're back in safe. If you guys enjoyed this video, hopefully you did. Make sure you like and subscribe on the description down below. But yeah, we gotta clean up the boat now. Got a whole lot of mess to clean. Got a bunch of stuff to fix, and yeah, we'll see you guys when we're in the process of cutting.